In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. We will start inside Calendly because that is where you will generate the embed code for your scheduler. After logging into your Calendly account, locate the event type that you want to place on your Squarespace site. On that event card, click the three dots to open more options. From that menu, choose Add to Website. Calendly will then show you a few ways to display your booking page on a website. For this setup, select Inline Embed. This option places the scheduler directly on the page, so visitors can view available times and book without leaving your site. After selecting Inline Embed, click Continue. Calendly will generate a code snippet for you. Copy that code because you will paste it into Squarespace in just a moment. Next, move over to Squarespace and log into your website dashboard. Open the site you want to edit. Then navigate to the page where you want the Calendly scheduler to appear. Once you are on the correct page, click Edit in the top left corner of the visual builder so you can begin making changes. Now add a new content block to the page. Click Add Block and choose either the code block or the embed block, depending on what is available in your layout. Once the block appears on the page, click the pencil icon on that block to open its settings. If there is any sample or placeholder text already inside the field, remove it completely so the space is empty and ready for your Calendly code. Paste the Calendly script code you copied earlier directly into the block. After that, click outside the block settings to return to the page editor. You should now be able to position the embedded scheduler within your layout. Drag the block where you want it to sit, and adjust the edges of the box to set the width and height that best fits your page design. Give the scheduler enough space so it displays cleanly and is easy for visitors to use. When everything looks right, go to the top left corner and click Save to apply the changes. Your Calendly scheduler will now be embedded on your Squarespace page, allowing visitors to book directly from your site in a smooth and professional way. That covers everything you need to know.